Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Economic Cities. In the previous video, we discussed about law of variable proportion. Okay, now today we are going to discuss here the law of diminishing returns. Okay, and this is the last topic of this chapter, and afterwards we are going to start the numerical portion, right? So let's discuss here today the law of diminishing returns. And before that, I'm going to start. Okay, I just want to let you know that this law considers only the falling phase, or we will discuss only MP. Okay, we will ignore the rest of the things. We only have to focus about the marginal, uh, this one. Okay, marginal return or marginal product. Okay, so first what we are going to discuss here, as you can see in the screen only, that is the table is given and the law of diminishing returns. The diagram is also given here. Okay, so let's see and study with the help of that only. That is, it states when more and more units of a variable factor are employed with a fixed factor. It means the fixed factor is there, and as the variable factor changes, okay, we know that in the short run the variable factor changes, and the rest, that is the land, remains the fixed. Okay. Then we study about the nature of TP, MP, and AP. But here in this law, we will discuss only, or we will focus only the marginal product. Okay, MP. In short, we will say it MP. Okay. So it states that more and more units of variable factor is this. Okay, that is the labor, are employed with the fixed factor, that is land. Then MP of the variable factor must fall. So we can easily just see the difference, that is, as the TP increases here, we are going to ignore TP, but I'm just making you to understand the thing that they want to state here with the help of this definition. That is, as the TP increases here, but with the change in the variable factor, as the variable factor increases 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then MP starts decreasing with every one additional unit of, or with every additional unit of variable factor. Okay, variable factor हम labor मान के चल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, right? So you can see that labor 1 tha, then MP was 12. Then as we increase the number 2, labors 2 ho gaye, then MP starts to 10. Okay, MP just falls to 10. Then as we are going to employ more labors, it means we are going to increase the labor. Okay, जैसे ही labors का जो है quantity बढ़ रही है, आप देख सकते हैं with the help of this table, you can see that MP starts falling. So here the same thing is there written on the this screen. Okay, MP falls when more and more units of variable factor, that is labor, is employed with the fixed factor, that is land. Okay, then this law considers only the falling phases of MP and ignores its increasing phase. Okay, so this law considers what? That is only the falling phase. आपको increase नहीं बता रहा है. Okay, increase what we can see in the LVP. Okay, that is law of variable proportion. So in short, we can say LVP is an extension to law of diminishing returns, as it also considers the phase of rising MP. So we can see the rising MP in LVP stage. Okay, law of variable proportion, we can see the rising MP, but only when it's diminishing, means deteriorating or decreasing marginal product. Okay, so only we have to focus only on MP, right? So that's why it is known as law of diminishing returns or law of diminishing marginal product. Okay, it's you can see the marginal law of diminishing marginal product. Okay, now you know the reason it very well, and only this you have to draw. Okay, सिर्फ एक आपको एक slanting डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग कर्व आपको बतानी है एमपी की. नेगेटिव में नहीं जाना है, बट ओनली डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, बस इतना ही लॉ में ये आपको बताया जाएगा. दैट्स एनफ फॉर यू नॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर एंड टू राइट इन द एग्जाम्स ऑल्सो. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टीपी एंड एमपी. तो आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था इसमें, एज लॉन्ग एज टीपी इंक्रीजेज एट इंक्रीजिंग रेट, द सेम डायग्राम. ओके, एज लॉन्ग एज टीपी इज इंक्रीजिंग, ये टीपी की कर्व थी. नाउ एज लॉन्ग एज इट इज इंक्रीजिंग, देन MP also increases. यहाँ पे देखिए MP increase कर रहा है, यहाँ पे इसका curvature change हो रहा है, right? When TP increases at diminishing rate, MP decreases. Increasing rate पे कर रहा है, but it starts diminishing. Okay. Then when TP reaches at maximum point, now maximum point TP का क्या है? This one. Okay. MP becomes 0. And here you can see MP becomes 0, but it is not negative. Okay. Now as the TP starts decreasing or falling, okay, then after this point, that is MP is 0, it starts to fall again, that is it becomes negative. Okay, so MP becomes negative, and this is the same आपका ये chart है जो मैंने पहले भी आपको ये कराया है. Okay, so with the help of that you can also see that is land is fixed, labor is variable factor, TP as it is start increasing, MP also increases. Okay, when it is maximum, okay, पॉइंट एमपी बिकम जीरो। तो देखो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम कितना है, 52 कर रहा है रीच, राइट। तो ये क्या हो रहा है, 52 पे देखिए क्या है, मैक्सिमम है, इट बिकम जीरो, एंड एज इट इज अगेन स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग, टीपी स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग, देन एमपी बिकम्स नेगेटिव। ओके, सो दोनों चीजों से आप इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ डायग्राम ऑल्सो एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ schedule. Okay, then relationship between AP and MP. Now what happens here, AP and AP, I just want to let you know here, एक आपको बस पॉइंट ये याद रखना है कि दैट इज एवरेज जो आपकी कर्व होती है एपी फॉलोज मार्जिनल। ओके, एपी जो है जैसे जैसे आपका एमपी अगर इंक्रीज करेगा तो एपी भी इंक्रीज करेगा, अगर आपका एमपी जो है फॉल करने लगेगा देन एपी आल्सो स्टार्ट्स फॉलिंग। ओके, द सेम थिंग हैपेंस, दैट इज एपी कर्व फॉलोज एमपी कर्व। ओके, ये चीज आप याद रखिएगा। सो एज लॉन्ग एज एमपी इज मोर देन एपी, एपी राइजेस। सेम चीज आपको इसमें रिलेशनशिप बहुत आती हैं, वेदर इट इज एमसीक्यूज और इन शॉर्ट और इन लॉन्ग आंसर, टेबल बना सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक द चार्ट ऑल्सो एंड दिस डायग्राम ऑल्सो। एंड सिंपल रिलेशनशिप होती है, 3-4 लाइन में लिखनी होती है बस। तो उसके क्या है, जस्ट आपका मार्जिनल को ही फॉलो करेगा, दैट इज एपी। ओके, एपी ऑलवेज फॉलोज मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट। ओके, सो एज लॉन्ग एज एमपी इज मोर, जब जब तक एमपी ज्यादा है देन एपी राइजेस, सो एमपी इज मोर देन एपी आल्सो राइजेस। व्हेन एमपी इज इक्वल्स टू एपी then AP as at maximum. Okay, so when MP is equals to AP, here at this point they are equivalent, then it is maximum. When MP is less than AP, okay, जब MP आपका क्या है, less than AP, तो AP starts falling. Thereafter both MP and AP falls, but MP becomes negative whereas AP remains positive. MP falls faster rate than AP. Okay, so 2 points you have to remember when AP and TP की relationship होगी, that is average follows the marginal curve and marginal cuts average at its maximum. Okay, जो marginal है वो आपकी कट कहाँ पे करती है एवरेज को, when it is at maximum, right? So I hope you understand it very well. These were the relationship we need to discuss. Okay, TP and MP, AP and MP, and law of diminishing marginal product. Okay, and with this we come to the end of this chapter here. Now we're going to do the numerical portion. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.